So now we're going to finish off our facial with our regular skin regimen, and most of you have made the really smart decision to purchase the transformation kit as well, as well as the True Face Essence Ultra. So I'm going to show you how to use that. So it comes in little capsules like this, and we're just going to use one. You're going to use once in the morning and once at night. One capsule in the morning and one capsule at night. And the active ingredient inside is ethicin. And ethicin helps with the elasticity in your skin. It's really amazing. Really, truly amazing. So I'm just warming it up in the palm of my hand with the heat from the palm of my hand. Makes it work a lot more effectively. Just a couple of seconds. We're going to cut the tip off, and we're going to dot it onto our face, directly onto our face. Squeeze as much as you can out. And don't throw the capsule away. I'm going to show you what to do with it after. So now we are going to rub it into our face using an upward motion. And again, this is used day and night, every day. You'll definitely see a difference in the elasticity of your skin. And you want to have elasticity in your skin, because otherwise everything's going to start to drag down and it's not going to be bouncy like this. Keep that youthful appearance. Upward motion. Make sure that it is all absorbed in. It works with the heat of your hand as well, and that's why I like to start off the capsule warm already. That's why I spend a few moments just to warm it up into the palm of my hands and in your forehead. I'm gonna hold up your eyebrow like this. Our neck as well, if there's any extra. So with the capsule that we just used, this is the used capsule. In your kit, the NAPCA mist, you notice, comes clear. This is a brand new one. It's actually clear. And the one that I've been using throughout my little mini videos is blue. Take the capsule, the used capsule that we use every day, and you put it into the NAPCA mist. There's the head. And what it's going to do is the residue inside the capsule of the essence is going to be dissolved into the NAPCA mist, and no wastage. Then when every time you spray this onto your face, you're actually spraying a little bit of the True Face Essence Ultra onto your face as well. And that's what we normally do. From clear to blue, it'll completely dissolve. That's just one little trick. So next you would use your transformation kit, which comes with the cleanser, which is we've already used in step 1. And this is the Future Serum. So after the True Face Essence Ultra, you'll use your Future Serum. And again, an upward motion. A lot of people ask me, what about my eyes? You can use the line corrector every night, and that will replace your eye cream. It works even better than really expensive eye creams that are out there on the market nowadays. Really helps with the lines and lifting and the discoloration, the eye bags, dark circles under your eyes. I just use the line corrector. That's what I use. So the Future Serum is in, and then you would finish off with your night cream. Run in an upward motion. So this is what I would do at night with my transformation kit. So if it was in the morning, what you would do is wash your face with the Gentle Cleansing Tone, spray on your NAPC mist all over, Future Serum, 2 pumps. And the only thing different that you would do in the morning is you're going to be using the day cream, which already has SPF in it as well. And you would put this on and you're ready to go for your day. So I want to teach you how to maintain your machine. So all the heads are made out of chrome, so I've just rinsed them with warm water. Lay them out on a flat surface to completely dry. And once they're dry, then you can pack them away into your bag or into the pouch or wherever you'd like to store your machine. But just make sure that they're completely dry, no soap required. As for the machine, remove the back, make sure it's turned off. And we just wipe it clean with the towel. And that's all you need to do for maintaining your machine. Battery lasts for a very long time. When you need to change the battery, just pull out the bottom and replace the 2 batteries that are on the bottom there. Well, thank you very much for watching my tutorials. I hope it's helped minimize some of the confusion with the Galvanic Spa machine. Enjoy it, have fun with it. Keep doing it twice a week. You definitely will see a really big difference. And I hope that you've enjoyed watching this. Thank you.